Hello, I'm John Butler. I'm standing here in front of the Maternushaus, which is the location for our transforming therapy class in 2 days' time. And I'm very happy to share the knowledge I've acquired over many years of teaching and practicing this therapy, which is a very in-depth form of hypnoanalysis. It goes very deep to the roots of issues in the deep emotional parts of the mind, where the problems have formed and where they need to be healed. It's a work that requires skills of instant induction, which were pioneered by Gil Boyne over 60 years ago. And it involves many elements which have come from psychotherapy, psychiatry, and other fields which in their time took it from hypnosis, classical hypnosis, and what was known as mesmerism. So I'm going to be teaching this in an experiential way with a lot of practical work and demonstrations, and going into depth in many techniques, tools, methods to help the people on this course learn about this wonderful form of therapy and take their skills to the next level.